Hi, today I show you how to use Softlogix 5800 emulation is PLC. We just use Studio 5000 version 21st, and we use Softlogix 5800 is version 21st. Okay, let's start. First, we should the configuration is the Softlogix. Softlogix is much better than emulator. It's more powerful. So first, we check we use the S-light. First, we should install Microsoft Loopback adapter. This one I already installed, so I just told you how to do this one. Go to the computer management, go to action, add next hardware. Go to next. Install that hardware that a menu select from a list. Connect. Choose a network adapter. Next. Yeah, he just moving. So find Microsoft. Look for Microsoft Loopback adapter. Next. Yeah, we already saw that. So this one is second one we already installed. We don't need this. So we uninstalled this one. Okay, this is a Microsoft Loopback adapter. Then close. Go to here. Open Network and Sharing Center. Go to the Changing Adapter setting. You can find this loop area connection tool. If you install Loopback adapter, then this one not disconnect. If you wish the configuration here, go to the TCP/IP4 connection. Yeah, we use the IP address. We use IP address 192.168.100.200. Is subnet mask is euro. Okay, that's it. This one all the computer network is study. Now we open we open the Rslogix. Okay. We should communication configure driver. We find Ethernet IP driver. Add new one. Okay. We choose the Microsoft Loop adapter. Apply or close. Okay. Now the second one is already. So we configuration is we already this one last time Softlogix we already saw. we start. Okay, we install Softlogix, Chismont, create. We install 1789, Softlogix 5860 controller. Oh, sorry, is something wrong. We have to close. Yeah, now it's working. So now is Softlogix 5800. It's communication with the Studio 5000. After that, we build the new program. Also, Softlogix can use the remote I/O to communication with the local controller, and we can emulate this function. First, we build a new model is configuration hardware. Communication, we use Ethernet Softlogix Ethernet IP. Okay, create. Okay, it's the Ethernet in the slot 3. Okay. Oh, we should have a name. On the IP address is the before this address we built already is 192.168.100.200. 192.168.100.200. Oh, sorry. 100. 200. Okay, close. So this is Ethernet model. We can click new model in the Ethernet. We use digital. We can use the okay. We can build a new model. digital number, and we can use the remote, this one. Flexed I/O. IP address. Oh, sorry. On the last 201. Okay. So this is flexible bus. We can also use point. Let me see what's the number. Okay. We can build point. I/O IP address. Two 202. Okay, so this point one is not choose. So this one is flexed bus. We can build the new model, Flex I/O. We use this model. Is 16 input, 16 output, 24 volts DC sync, and the protect source is okay. That's it. All the configuration. I/O configuration. We use Ethernet module and create the 1796 Ethernet Flex I/O module. Is a flexed bus and point I/O. Okay. We just use the computer main program. No, we should. We just use simple start tag start alias. We use flex import stop and motor. We use point I/O. That's it. Okay. Okay, that's it. We just use remote control, use the module, use flex IO start point, terminal point in the flex IO, is motor in the point IO. So with communication, we simulate. We use the isolator. Softlogix, download, go online. Okay, now we start. It's working. Too simple. Okay, this one we just show you how to configuration. Remote IO, use isolate IP. This if you have two computers, one computer install Softlogix. This look like a PLC. Other computer needs just install Studio 5000. You use isolator cable connection and make the computer is working like this way. Okay, now today we just use in the local Softlogix. Softlogix is very powerful. In including a lot of stuff, Softlogix controller and isolator Softlogix 5000. If you have isolator 5000, you can have a lot of stuff. You have a lot of module. Oh, sorry. Stop. Look. New module. You can do analog, everything you can do. The digital is motion, you can do motion controller. If you have flex IO, you can do analog. Yeah, you can do analog, digit, everything. So you can emulation is much better than emulate 5000. Okay. Thank you very much. Today show you just here.